As we return from the holidays, we hope you enjoyed this year's White Christmas. This week, continuing from where we had left, we bring you a delicious banana chocolate cake. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. Last, we were making festive cakes. It snowed. So this week, I bring you a cake which is comforting, warm, and will make everyone nostalgic of their childhood. A banana chocolate cake. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Let's get cooking. These steps are repeated twice over in the recipe. Please make sure to separate this into 2 steps. If you add everything all at once, it'll end up as lumps in the batter. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and very tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at JNJS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.